Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar class. Let's understand chapter number 29 on message writing. What is message writing? A message is a short piece of information that you give to a person when you cannot speak to him or her directly. For example, when your mom leaves a message for you to read in her absence after you come back from school as she had to go out urgently. Let's look into the important features. The message must be very short, including important information which should be provided in brief. The name of the person for whom the message is written should be mentioned. The name of the writer of the message should be written. The date and time when the message is written should be there. A message need not be written in sentences, and some articles, conjunctions, or verbs can be omitted. The key elements important in the format of a message are: first is heading. We should begin with writing the heading as message in capital letters. It is supposed to be written in the center at the top. Second comes date. On the left hand side of the page, we have to write the date in expanded form. The next important element is time. Though it is compulsory to mention the time in a message, its placement can either be mentioned on the left side under the date or on the right side adjacent to it. The fourth one is the body of the message. It is the main passage wherein you need to mention all the essential information. The point to remember is to keep the sentences short and precise. The fifth and the last element is the name of the sender. After writing the necessary information, the sender's name comes at the end on the left side. Now, messages are written for various purposes. The purposes are to request someone to do some work, to give some information, to give important explanation, or to apologize to someone. Let's see into the format of message writing. We can see the word message written in bold letters in the center of the format. Then on the left side of the format, date has to be written, and underneath it, time when the message was written is to be mentioned. Then we have to leave space and write the name of the person whom it is being addressed to. Then comes the main information, which is known as the body of the message. Then after leaving space, we have to write our name or whosoever is writing this message. The point to be remembered, children, is that all this has to be written in a box enclosed by drawing lines on all the four sides. Now, children, let's understand through these examples. The first question is: read the following telephonic conversation between Dheeraj and Neeraj. Neeraj is going to the cinema and will not be able to meet Pankaj. He leaves a message for him. Write a message in not more than 30 words. Dheeraj: hello, is that Pankaj? Neeraj: I am Neeraj, Pankaj's elder brother. He is not at home. Dheeraj: dear brother, please ask Pankaj to bring my history notes tomorrow to the school. I need them to prepare myself for the class test to be held a day after tomorrow. Also ask him to give me a ring when he comes home. Neeraj: please don't worry. Though I am going out, I will write the message for him and you shall get back your notes tomorrow. Dheeraj: thanks, bye. Neeraj: bye. Now let's see how Neeraj left Dheeraj's message for Pankaj. We can see that he wrote message with capital letters in the center of the format. Then he wrote date on the left side with time on the right side parallel to it. After addressing Pankaj, he wrote the message this way: Dheeraj rang up to ask you to carry his history notes tomorrow to school. He needs them for class test. Also, he wants you to ring him up on your return. In the end, he wrote his name. The second example is: you are Shivani. You receive a telephonic message from your brother Asim, a student at the Government Medical College, Amritsar, that he is not coming home today due to college function. As you are going on a picnic with your friends, write a message for your mummy, giving all the necessary details. After writing all the key elements of the message, Shivani addressed to her mother, writing Mummy, Asim rang up from Amritsar to say that he is not coming home today due to a college function. Attendance of the function being compulsory, he cannot leave the station. And then she has written her name, Shivani. Thank you